Hello everyone, it's been a while. I've missed you all. So for today, what I have for you is DIY rhinestone picker. So but for this project, you need your matches, you need a candle, you will need a stick. Like this is a makeup stick that is bad. You can use a toothpick, you can use a pencil, you will need your razor blade, and lastly but not least, you need your rhinestones. So this video is going to be in two parts. After I show you how to do this rhinestone picker, DIY rhinestone picker, I will show you how to use it together with a rhinestone template. This is a rhinestone template. This is a rhinestone template. Oh, I have to be careful on top of the fire. This is a rhinestone template. So but the rhinestone template will be on the second video. So for this video, we are going to concentrate on this. So to make this, like I said earlier, this is the mouth. This is the candle wax. So I'm currently using it. This is how it works. It's very fast. You just tap the stone. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? It picks the stone very fast. You place it, tap it, place, tap, place. So you don't have, unlike then when you'll be using tweezers to pick it, you have to concentrate and pick it very well. But for this, it's very fast. It reduces the time you will need to apply your stones. So are you seeing how fast it's going? You just put it, use it like that. You place it and ensure that it's right side facing up, of course. So I'm just showing you this. This is how fast it's going to be picking the stones. So to start off with, we'll first of all sharpen since I'm using a makeup brush, we're going to sharpen this like you're sharpening a pencil. Oh, and I forgot. So, like I said, I forgot. You need a nail file, normal nail file. So let's go back. We'll sharpen this. Continue sharpen it as you sharpen a pencil. If you're using a toothpick, that's fine. You just wait for the next stage. I'll show you what to do. So let's sharpen this. So this is sharp now. This is sharp now. So now what you need your nail file for now is to file it so that it will be blunt, so that it can pick up the wax and stay there, and the wax will stay there. So we're going to file it. You see, file it. If you have a pencil, you just go straight and file it to be blunt. You give it a rounded mouth. Continue filing at the same time, the rounding of the mouth. So we are done filing. So this is it now. This is how it looks now. So now, after you've put your candle, we'll blow it out. Now this wax, because it was on, obviously there will be a melted part near it. So we'll just rub. You can't see this part because of the flash. You just rub the candle, rub it around the wax, and let it dry. So this is our wax on our candle. So we'll just let it dry.